The user toolbar feature of Eris has been completely overhauled for Eris 9.5 and incorporates a large number of enhancements. In this video we will cover some of the advanced features of the user toolbar manager, including copying and moving toolbar buttons to different locations on the toolbar manager clipboard, and changing the menu used by an existing toolbar. We will also cover special naming conventions for user toolbars, which allow your toolbar to load automatically on startup and allow you to scroll through multiple toolbars. A basic overview of the user toolbar feature, as well as how to create toolbars and manage the commands and display of user toolbar boxes, are covered in other videos. Open the user toolbar manager to edit a user toolbar box by holding the Control key and left-clicking on the toolbar box. You can move the currently selected toolbar box to another location on the toolbar by selecting the Swap Current with Another Box button and then selecting the destination box location. The two boxes will swap positions on the toolbar. To assign the functions of the currently selected toolbar box to another box on the toolbar, press the Assign Current to Another Box button, and then select the destination box on the toolbar. This works like a copy, and the box will be duplicated. The original box will not change. Remember that any previous commands and display in the newly selected box will be overwritten. Another thing you can do is swap the left and right click commands for a given toolbar box. Select the toolbar box and then press the Swap Left and Right Commands button. The command string in the current toolbar box left click command will move to the right click and vice versa. The current user toolbar box may be cleared completely by selecting the Clear Box button. This completely clears the box display and both the left and right click commands. Remember to save your toolbar after any changes have been made by selecting the Save Current Toolbar button. The User Toolbar Manager clipboard is designed to let you copy the contents of a toolbar box from one toolbar to another. Select the Copy Current to Clipboard button to copy the current user toolbar box commands and display to the clipboard. The display will be shown in the clipboard sample thumbnail. Next, select the Toolbar Files and Menus button to toggle the User Toolbar Manager to the Files and Menus display, and load the destination toolbar by selecting it on the existing user toolbars list. Click back to the Toolbar Boxes page of the User Toolbar Manager and select the box where you want to place the toolbar functions. This highlights the toolbar box and makes it current. Select the Paste Clip to Current button to paste the toolbar box functions on the clipboard to the current user toolbar box. Selecting the Clear Clipboard button clears the command and display from the User Toolbar Manager clipboard. Don't forget to save your toolbar. One of the new features of user toolbars in Eris 9.5 is that the menu used for the toolbar is user selectable. There are several different default menus to choose from. If you are familiar with writing Eris menus and the Eris developer, you can even create your own toolbar menus. Normally the menu used by the toolbar is selected when you create the toolbar. It is, however, possible to change the menu on an existing toolbar. To do this, make the toolbar current and then on the Toolbar Files and Menus page of the User Toolbar Manager, select the desired toolbar menu from the User Toolbar Menus list. Select the Set Selected Toolbar Menu to Current Toolbar button, and the menu will change. The toolbar menu and number of toolbar boxes information will update in the current user toolbar information. The current user toolbar in the menu system below will also be updated with the new menu. The toolbar boxes will be on the new menu in the same order as they were on the old. If the new menu contains more boxes than the old one, The additional boxes at the end will be blank. If the new menu contains fewer boxes than the old one, the boxes at the end of the old menu with higher numbers than the total number of boxes on the new menu will be dropped. Any command on those boxes will be lost. Because the menu may have different sized boxes in different locations, you will probably want to move the boxes around on the new menu as shown previously in this video. As always, be sure to save your toolbar. Another great feature of user toolbars in ARIS 9.5 is that you can have your favorite user toolbar load automatically when ARIS starts. To do this, you must name the toolbar the same name as your user login. For example, if your user login is your name, you can name your toolbar either just your name followed by the number 1, or your name followed by a space and the number 1. Any of these three examples will cause this toolbar to be loaded automatically on startup. As you work in ARIS, it may be handy to have more than one custom user toolbar. You might create separate toolbars for different tasks that you have, such as one for general drafting, one for working on walls, and one for working with 3D models. The User Toolbar Manager makes it very easy to create multiple toolbars. One of the best features of user toolbars in ARIS 9.5 is that if you create multiple toolbars with the same base name followed by a number, these toolbars may be cycled in sequence by placing the cursor over the user toolbar and scrolling the mouse scroll wheel. You can have up to 9 toolbars that scroll, numbered 1 through 9. All must have the same base name. The list must begin with the number 1, and there cannot be any breaks in the number sequence. As we have shown in this video series, the User Toolbar is an easy and powerful way to customize ARIS to your needs. It's a feature that no ARIS user should ignore. For more information on user toolbars, refer to the User Toolbar topic in the ARIS Encyclopedia.